Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the auto transformer. Auto transformer is widely used in our laboratory and substations, and distribution system and domestic purposes. Auto transformer are widely used. Now we will discuss about the what is basic concept of the auto transformer and what is the working principle of the auto transformer, and we will discuss how the difference from the two winding transformer. Now in a auto transformer some part of winding common to both primary and secondary circuit. अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करें this is the winding, this is the point A and point B and B and C. The input is applied between A and C where V1 voltage is applied at the primary side of auto transformer, and secondary side is taken from point B and C where load is connected here. Earlier I defined the auto transformer, that means auto transformer having some common winding for primary and secondary. B and C part of the winding is common for primary and secondary. This feature is not available in two winding transformer. Both winding are electrically isolated. Now this in a auto transformer primary and secondary winding is electrically connected to each other. The power transformer through the two winding transformer only through the induction, where Faraday-Law electromagnetic induction is applied for the explanation of the working principle of single phase transformer. Now here the power transfer from primary to secondary through induction as well as conduction. Conduction is possible due to this primary and secondary are electrically connected. Then the transfer of the power from primary to secondary due to the induction as well as conduction. This is the basic concept of the auto transformer. Now we will discuss about the MMF of the winding AB. This is the point A, this is the point B. If we are talking about MMF, the number of turn between AB is equal to N1 minus N2. These are number of MMF is multiplied by N1 I1. This is the AB is equal to N1 I1 minus N2 I1, where we know N1 I1 equal to N2 I2. This equation can be replaced by this equation. That means N2 is equal to MF of the winding CB. CB means C and B. Voltage ampere transfer by the transformer action transform VAB into IAB is equal to P1 I2 is equal into IA. The total VA input V1 I1 equal to V2 I2, the total output VA. The conducted VA is input VA minus transfer VA. This is the basic concept of the auto transformer. Now we will discuss about the what is the difference between auto transformer and resistive potential divider. It can step up and step down. This cannot step up voltage. Power transformer take place conduction as well as induction. Input current more or less than output current. Here power transfer by the conduction only. Input current is always more than output current. Auto transformer is less losses, more efficient. More losses, less efficient. These are the differences between auto transformer and resistive potential divider. Thank you.